my god. I just want to show you this right now. Cousin is down there, and I'm just dying. Like, literally, I'm dying. Christ. Oh, ma. Like, oh, no, Jesus, Father, help me. This, oh, God. I feel like I'm gonna die. Like, for real. Oh, my God.
My eyes are watering for no reason.
This happens when you're tired.
No.
Did you think something was kind of emotional?
What?
So did you think something was kind of emotional?
I don't know.
The booty was too much.
I'm not like.
You just like.
I was supposed to say I'm still like that. I'm just saying, I feel like it's ass.
Why? 'Cause the tyrant thing?
No.
What?
No shit.
Oh. Instead, take that. Take that.
I should feel like an ass. You should feel like an ass for doing that.
I'm sick. I'm not sick. I'm not. I don't. Okay, I said that I feel bad. I don't feel horrible.
You should.
I told you to take that saline stuff if your nose was stuffed up. Jesus Christ. Lord, Father, help me. Me not do this too much. Jesus, help me. Oh my God. Lord Jesus, help me, Father. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Sangolacta. What if Honey fell? What if she fell?
What if Honey made a practice?
Ooh, like French toast.
She made a practice. But that was it.
Oh, you suck. I want some French toast. Some ice cream kind of sounds good right now still.
Thank you. Like that.
Oh my God. Ah, Jesus. Stuff, this is 5,000.
My titties are sore.
Oh my God, my titties were sore when I was earlier when I was sick.
I have cramps really bad.
Same. It sucks.
That's another reason why I feel like an ass.
Take an Advil.
I took one today. If you take one too much, your stomach's gonna start to do. Oh God, shut up. Hey. Dude, what the fuck is funny?
I'm about to feel my
Get out. Get away from me.
Oh my God. Oh.
What's your problem?